A broken heart can mend sometimes. It's harder to repair a broken mind. We are taught concepts we cannot use. Thoughtless wins and powerful lose. Parents sent children to bad school. School uniforms became prison suits. You read the Bible and nothing else. You're preaching in a corner by yourself, drinking wine and snorting cocaine. Fatty deposits and cracks on the brain. Might need surgery to fix that mess. Nod in the corner and take your rest. A broken heart can mend. Sometimes it's harder to repair a broken mind. Best not to embrace bad habits at all. Don't put American ways on recall. Study the ones outside the mainstream. Reality is not a distant dream. Open your mind to multiple angles. Good and evil, demons and angels. Remember your place in the cosmic whole. Infinite evolution is the basic goal. Don't be afraid to resist twisted norms. Don't fall out of your human being.